Hey everyone, it's Saturday, November 15th, and today we're doing a special single-story deep dive. We're focusing entirely on EB-5 because filing costs changed overnight in a way that affects real budgets and real timelines. If you're an investor, a regional center, or you support EB-5 projects, this episode is for you. Here's what happened. On Tuesday, November 11th, U.S. District Judge Charlotte Noel Sweeney struck down the EB-5 fee hikes that USCIS put in place on April 1, 2024. The judge found that the agency increased EB-5 fees without first conducting and publishing the fee study required by Section 106 of the EB-5 Reform and Integrity Act of 2022. She also ruled the rulemaking was arbitrary and capricious under the Administrative Procedure Act. While parts of the fee rule were technically stayed, the practical result is straightforward. USCIS must accept EB-5 filings at the prior, lower rates while the case continues. Let's talk numbers, because that is the immediate impact. For individual investors filing through regional centers, Form I-526 East drops back from $11,160 to $3,675. A savings of $7,485 per petition. For regional centers and project sponsors, Form I-956 and Form I-956F return from $47,695 to $17,795, removing nearly $30,000 per filing. Those are big changes that directly affect deal structuring, filing volume, and timing. Action items. First, if you are preparing to file, budget, and submit at the pre-April 2024 rates now, check the current USCIS fee schedule and payment instructions before you send anything, and make sure your checks or payment authorizations match the restored amounts to avoid rejections. Second, if you already filed and paid the higher fees earlier this year, keep all receipts and notices. Do not refile the same case just to capture the lower fee. Watch for USCIS guidance on any adjustments and talk with your attorney about next steps. Third, if you manage a regional center or a project, reassess your filing calendar. Lower fees may allow you to move certain designations or project applications forward sooner. Why this matters beyond today. The ruling reinforces that USCIS must follow Congress's requirements when setting EB-5 fees. In the near term, we could see more I-526 East filings and quicker project launches because the cost barrier is lower. Looking ahead, USCIS could appeal or restart rulemaking with a proper fee study. Until then, the old rates apply, nationwide, right now. That's the update. Key takeaways. Pre-April 2024 exabytes minus 5 fees are back in effect. I-526 East is $3,675, and I-956 and I-956F are $17,795. File at the restored rates and monitor USCIS updates. For more details and ongoing coverage, visit visaverge.com.